Hi there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to blur face in CapCut. First of all, please open your CapCut. Now I'm editing earlier. Let me just delete this for you so we can start all over. So once you're here on CapCut, please click on New Project and then just choose any video that you want to edit. Now from here, since you already added your video, I want you to look on the tools on the very bottom part and look for effects. It should be this one right here. Click on it and then just click on video effects and then look for blur. So on my end it should be on here. It's on opening and closing. Choose the blur effect. I'm gonna use halo blur.
Hello everyone, thank you.
Now from there, as you can see, you heard my video. I'm just gonna mute it over here. Now once we're here, I want you to drag the blur effect all the way throughout your video. Make sure it's all drag all the way down. Then from here, as you can see, there are parts that are blur, and then as you move on, it removes the blur. I want you to click on the effect and then click on adjust. Please put the speed to 0 and then the density to 100, so we make sure everything is blurred all the way. Now that being said, since we already added this, please click on the main video and then look for the copy button on the lower part. Just look for it. It should be this one right here. Click on it, and then once you already copied your video, I want you to look now for overlay. It should also be on this bottom tools right here. And there you go, that's overlay. It's over here. Once you click on overlay, your second video will be dragged down. I want you to drag it all the way from the first one. We're gonna align our video now, first and second video. So give it a little more alignment. Make sure it's aligned all the way. Now since it's already aligned, click on your second video, and then I want you to look for the button mask. It should be the tools right here. Let's look for it. It's gonna be, wait, I can't find it, and there you go. This is the mask button. I'm very sorry for that confusion earlier. Let's click on mask and then just choose any shape, but I recommend circle. And as you can see here that everything is blurred, and then we're the one clearing the blur. I want you to click on invert button. It should be the lower left button. It's invert. Now we're gonna choose which to blur, because earlier we're the one choosing which to remove the blur. I want you to click on invert, so you'll be the one choosing which is to blur. You can adjust this on how the way you like it, or there are different shapes. For example, this heart button right here, whatever you please. Anyway, just save the video from here now, and that's how you blur on CapCut using your phone. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.